Hey there everyone, we're going to do another new build tour. I love doing these things. I like seeing all the new designs. I also like seeing all the colors that people put into their homes. So today we're going to tour the Bedford by Richmond. This is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-car home, about 3,300 square feet, and it's $623,000. Really like this front porch. I always like the way that the builder can make a front porch stand out and pop, especially with a nice railing. Has a covered lid with some lights. Great spot for some holiday decorations. Let's go inside and check out this home. So, laminate floors throughout the main level here. There's the stairs going upstairs, and stairs doing what they also do, go downstairs. We'll go check out the basement in a minute. So there's a separated dining area. Looks like a gourmet kitchen package here. You can always kind of tell when you see the crown molding, 42-inch cabinets, separated ovens, and a microwave and a gas cooktop. The island in here is enormous too. It's what you call a full slab, and they didn't break it down the middle. Sometimes you'll see that where they'll put a seam in, but that's a really large slab. A ton of recessed lighting. Some electrical boxes for pendants. Not sure if the builder's going to cap those or if pendants are going to be installed, but certainly something you could make a decision on. This is one of their quick move-in homes, so 30 to 45 days for them to wrap up everything else. Let's go check out this deck here. Deck was just finished built. Really nice redwood out here. Nice clear coat of stain on that. This would look great and stay looking like this. This has a covered rear deck, which if you look up and down the houses around here, there's not many that are like this. Obviously still have to put the lid on, put the electrical out here, but all that can be taken care of. I really like getting out here before the homes are available. It feels like, one, that I give you guys an exclusive look, and two, it feels like I'm really the only one out here promoting this. That's the front range out there. I'll get you an update on what's happening with this land directly behind us. That's a meadowlark in the background. Fireplace, still have to do the surround on that. Big picture window. This room really is quite large. We go with about 30 feet this way. And from this back wall over here, I'm going to go with about to the front door. Maybe 30 to 35. Big home. This door goes to the garage. And there's a half bath. Same laminate floors run all the way through the bathroom. Here's your coat closet. Let's go check out this garage. There's a little bit of a bump out over here. Probably good enough over there on that side for a workbench, though your doors on your vehicle might bump into it. Feels a little bit longer in here too. I'm going to go with maybe 21, 22 feet. Let's go check out the rest of the home. Holy Hobbit Hole back here. Man, this is like a kid's dream for a fort. How many of you had a fort growing up? I sure did. Recessed lighting, 9-foot ceilings. I love that in a basement. I love that in a basement because it provides a lot of natural light, especially with a walkout basement. This is a super floor plan when you add that 9-foot ceiling to it. Room is quite large. Go with about 25 feet deep. Let's go over here and check out the rest of the house. bathroom. Look at that cool bathroom tile. And they kept the same countertop that was upstairs. Subway tile. Go in the mechanical room. This is where all the action happens. That's a direct power venting water heater, 50-gallon, 96.1% efficient furnace with air conditioning on the outside right there. We'll look for a condenser here in a moment. This is bedroom number 1 in the basement. Pretty decent sized room. I'm going to go with 13 by 12. Pretty basic closet, little bypass. Be super quiet down here too. And there's the condenser right there. So we have a full air conditioning hookup, not just AC prep, which is good because this home is available in the next 30 to 45 days, and being the middle of May, you'll be moving in right in the season when air conditioning is pretty important. And it's already included in your mortgage payment. Again, the price is $623,000. Let's go check out the upstairs of the Bedford. All right, back upstairs. So there's a loft right here. That's cool. Again, we're in the Bedford floor plan. I'm going to point out something that is missed on some people. Down that hallway are the 2 other supporting bedrooms, laundry, and the bathroom. Through here is the master. You can put kids down here in this hallway or other occupants of the house, and they kind of have their own little wing. Pretty decent sized bedroom, 12 by 13. Come on. Got the window. There's a couple of those other homes I filmed last week. There's your attic access right there. This one comes with a washer and dryer as well. Nice high quality cabinetry in here too. With a laundry sink. It's a sheet vinyl floor, which is great for water. Get a little bit on it. You don't have to worry about it getting into a seam and bubbling up the floor. And there's a linen closet in here. How cool is that? It's just super convenient to be able to stash an upstairs vacuum and all the things you might need to take care of your home. All right, back up here in this corner. This is bedroom number 2 upstairs. So we've got a walk-in closet. I like this recessed pocket area here for the door to swing into, so it doesn't actually swing right into the bedroom. That's nice. And then the bedroom maintains a lot of good space for bed, dresser, desk, things like that. So anyway, supporting bathroom. In that cool tile, executive height countertop, just means it's over 39 inches. Subway tile, nice big bathtub. They installed the same laminate floor that was downstairs in the master. So we got these little daylighter windows on either side, and that's a great indication that that's a good spot for your bed. Nice view out of this window. On a clear day, you'll probably be able to see the Sangre de Cristos. They were way off in the distance down there in southwestern Colorado. Again, the same flooring extends through the bathroom into the closet. I think that's cool. This tub deck, it's a blue in a herringbone style. Very unique. It's like they were doing some HVAC work. Really nice, high quality glass shower enclosure. It's a 5-foot pan with a giant bench the entire width. You don't see that all that often. They usually tuck that bench off on the side. This is a different countertop material. This looks like a quartz. Again, with the higher countertops. There's the hot seat through there. And then a huge master closet. Plenty of space in here. Plenty of space. I estimate the closet to be about 13 by 10, maybe 14 by 10. We just finished walking through the Bedford by Richmond American Homes. What did you guys think? Remember, this is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-car home priced at $623,000. It's 3,300 square feet with a finished basement, air conditioning, the rear covered patio, the huge island you see behind me, as well as those 4 bedrooms with 3 upstairs that are kind of separated off from the master, which I think is a really cool concept. Of course, there's upstairs laundry, which is the best thing since sliced bread. And you have that basement that kind of feels like its own little living area, especially for that 1 bedroom down there. So hopefully you enjoyed this tour. If you have a comment, leave one. If you'd like to learn a little more about this home, please reach out to me. And I look forward to speaking with you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.